Hey guys, today we'll be making our Christmas menu, and today we're starting with the rice. So firstly, I'm going to pour the oil into the pot and then go ahead to pour in the rice and basically toast this until it's well toasted and grainy. Now I'm going to add the meat stock and some hot water. This is for the rice to cook because it needs water to get cooked through. I'm adding salt, curry, adding some more water so that there's enough water for the rice to cook, and I'm adding spring onions. I'm going to cover this and leave it to cook, and then I'm going to go ahead and fry the veggies. I'm starting with eggs. I'm seasoning the egg with some salt and white pepper. I'm going to mix this together and then pour it into the pan and scramble it. Now once this is ready, I'm going to take it out of the pan and then go in with the shrimps. I'm going to season with salt and white pepper as well. Pour some more oil into the pan and fry the shrimps. About 3 minutes on each side, really. Doesn't take that long to cook. And then once it's fried, I'm going to take this out and going to go ahead and fry the sausages. Now, there's no need to season the sausages because, they're already seasoned. Or Frankfurters, I'm using chicken Frankfurters. You can use whatever you have. You can use liver. I'm going to add some more oil and fry the veggies. I'm starting with some onions, seasoning with salt, white pepper, and then I'm also going to add some ginger garlic paste and then some rosemary and some curry. Mix this together until the onions are fried, have this transparent look. Then go ahead and add the carrots. I'm going to leave the carrots to fry for about 2 minutes and then go ahead and add the bell peppers. I'm using green and red bell peppers. Then I added some jalapeno chili peppers. You can skip this part if you don't want it spicy. Then I'm going to mix and leave this to fry, and then add the sweet corn and green peas, and then also leave this to fry. But I'm adding seasoning cubes, chicken bouillon, and then really just season it to your taste, and then leave this until it's fried. Add spring onions, green onions. This is optional, but I really love the taste of green onions. So now I'm mixing everything to the rice. I started with the eggs, then the sausages, and then I go ahead to add the fried vegetables. Mix, and it's ready. Oh, I added the shrimps last. And then to make the carrot cake, we're starting with some grated carrots, then some eggs. Mix it together thoroughly. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add some oil. I use 1.5 cup. All the ingredients will be in the description box below, so you can make yours. So I'm mixing this thoroughly until everything is well combined. I did some vanilla powder. You can use vanilla flavor essence if you have. Added some nutmeg and then some baking soda. Now you can add cinnamon if you like, but I didn't want to add cinnamon. Then I went ahead to add in my sugar. So mixing thoroughly, and then add my flour. Then we give this a good stir until everything is well combined, and then once it's well combined, you scoop this and then put it into your cupcake line, as you always have to line your cupcake tray. And then while I'm going to put this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Everything will be in the description box below, just so you can be better guided when you want to make yours. Now, once this is ready, bring it out, and then I went ahead to make the whipping cream. So to a chilled bowl, I'm adding my heavy cream. You don't need anything less than 35%. I then went ahead to add my icing sugar or powdered sugar, and then some vanilla powder. And then I keep whipping this until it becomes, it forms a stiff peak. Now you can see it's thickening, but it's not there yet. Keep whisking, and then until you see that it's stiff, the peak is stiff like this, then it's ready. Then I went ahead to put it into my piping bag. I used a cup so that it can enter better, because if it's in my hand, it's just going to pour everywhere. So I'm putting the whipped cream into the piping bag. Put it gently, guys. You don't want to make a mess. So, and then after putting everything, I then test it out to see that it's being put properly and it's coming out well, like you can see here. And then I go ahead to bring out the cupcakes and pipe the whipped cream onto the cupcakes like so. And then I did this for the rest of them, and then I sprinkled some chopped carrots over the cupcake, and I'm telling you guys, tasted amazing. And then I'm going to show you how to make this smoothie. I have some cucumbers here, chopped cucumbers, washed of course, and then put that into the blender. Put some chopped pears. Make sure all your fruits are washed and prepped, guys. Some pears, you can use apples if you want, but I didn't want to use apples. And then some pineapple slices. So I put this in the blender and then went ahead to put the water of the pineapple juice, and then also some coconut water, pineapple and coconut water. But if you just have coconut water, that is fine as well. So you cover this up tightly, put it on the blender and blend away until it's all blended through. So now I'm going to sieve mine, but it's optional. You can drink yours with the pulp if you like, but I didn't want the pulp, so I decided to sift it out. I got a net sieve, or you can use a cloth sieve, or what's it called, cheesecloth sieve, yeah, just so that you can strain out all the pulp and the chaff. And so I did this until I got the chaff out, and then I poured this into my cup, and guys, this tasted amazing. You can serve with ice. I use cold fruit, so no need. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.